Hey guys, my name is Raj and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can embed your YouTube videos on your Facebook page. So first of all I have to go on any YouTube channel and this one is the video which I want to embed on my Facebook page. So I will just click on share, okay, and here will be the option of embed. From here I will select that code, make it copy and come back to my Facebook page. So from here I will status and this is the tutorial number one number one and I will paste that code and the video will be embedded. So I will make it publish. So this is the way by which you can embed your any YouTube video on your Facebook page. And so it's done. Here is the video which I embedded. So this is the way by which you can embed the video from your YouTube channel to your Facebook page. So this is all for this, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much for your time.